Here's a psychology fact you're not ready for. The richer people get, the less they care about you, and your brain does the same thing when you level up. If you've ever watched someone make it and then slowly ghost you, this isn't an accident. It's a built-in feature of how status and the brain work. Psychologists call this social value recalibration. When your status or net worth changes, your brain quietly updates who matters and who doesn't. Think about it. An old friend stops replying. A partner treats your goals like a joke. People only text when they need something. You tell yourself, they changed. But you do the same thing. You just don't notice it when you're the one moving up. And here's where it gets worse. People don't ignore you because they're busy. They ignore you because, in their new reality, you're not high value enough to justify their time. Once money enters the picture, people stop ranking you by how long they've known you. They rank you by how much you move their life forward. Are you helping their future? Are you adding leverage? Or are you just nostalgia and small talk? Promotions, new friends, new city, new lifestyle. Same brain behavior. But here's the part nobody wants to admit. Your brain does this too. Your brain treats time and attention like limited currency. When status or money goes up, the mind goes, I have more to protect. I can't waste energy. Humans are always climbing invisible ladders. Income, influence, attraction, reputation. When someone jumps a few rungs, their brain reshuffles the entire social list. Who gets answered? Who gets ignored? Who gets invited? Who gets left behind? If they kept everyone from their old life close, they'd be dragged back into the same habits, same mindset, same level. So the brain does something cold. It cuts people off to protect the new identity. And yes, it feels unfair when you're the one being cut. If that hits you, good. It means you're finally seeing the game instead of just feeling hurt by it. Because you do this on a smaller scale. You answer texts faster from people you respect. You ignore that one needy friend. You reply quicker when someone has status, money, or something you want. You're not loyal. You're selective. Just like the people you call fake. You don't treat every person in your contacts the same. Your brain already has a ranking system. Family, friends, mentors, people you fear, people you admire, people you use. And this next part explains why your life hasn't changed yet. It's easier to say, they changed, than to admit, you didn't grow with them. When people level up, they look for alignment. Same ambition. Same habits, same future focus. If you're not moving, you become emotional dead weight in their mind. They start thinking, if I stay close to this person, I stay close to their excuses, their habits, their limits. You're mad they didn't stay real. They're mad you stayed the same. You expected loyalty. They expected evolution. This is the brutal psychology of money and relationships. People invest where they see growth. They cut where they see drag. So, what do you do with this? If you want to stop being the person people outgrow, start with this. Become impossible to ignore. Not by begging. Not by chasing. Not by guilt-tripping people who moved on. You become hard to ignore by raising your value. Build skills that create real results. Make yourself useful, sharp, and reliable. Be the person who solves problems, not just talks about them. Move your environment upward. Spend more time around people who force you to stretch. Less time around people who reward your laziness. And most important, stop chasing people. Start chasing improvement. When you level up your skills, your thinking, and your standards, something flips. The same people who once drifted away start to notice you again. Or better people replace them. Rich people don't stop caring randomly. They just stop investing in people who choose comfort over growth. So decide which side of that line you want to live on. Are you the weight they have to carry? Or the person they're afraid to lose? If you want more brutal psychology of money and status like this, subscribe.